quick demo of RhodeCode MCP server here. I will show this an example of Claude code, but you can use any desktop or CLI client from any major AI company that supports MCP servers. So MCP server is already connected. Let's ask Claude if he has the connection and what he can do. It is connected right now to the test instance. Here's Claude provided possibilities of what API endpoints, what commands and tools are available. Let's test them. So you can see security is there, and you have to enable usage of any tool. Most of the tools that are available right now are read-only, but your AI agent won't do anything harmful without approval. So here the tool provided us actual information about those repositories. Also, as you can see, the text typos and fixes them on a go. As you can see, there is detailed information about repo. It can also interact with pull requests. You can see it detected 2 pull requests. And it also can interact with comments. And you can see as it works which tools exactly it uses. So it can also add some comments. Let's go and see what is here. You can see we could scroll to the bottom, and here's the comment. It is authorized as your user, so you generate authorization token using one of your users with API scope and provide that to Claude coding configuration, and it can use and do whatever that user can do. So you could do very granular permissions powered by our user permission system. It can also access the files, file content, commit content, and it can interact with the actual code. There it is. We will improve this in the future. Waiting for your feedback. Thanks for your attention. Have a good day.